Welcome back to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya. So Cognizant has changed the date of joining again. This is the fourth or fifth time that they have changed the date of joining. This is absolutely disgusting. This is very unprofessional gesture from the Cognizant, and this is very pathetic behavior, and to be very honest, no one expected this from the Cognizant. I do wonder why Cognizant is changing the date of joining. Whether they literally wants to hire the candidate or not, I doubt. I know there are plenty of things that are going on your head. I know this. And I know you guys are going through the most difficult phase of your entire life. This frequent change of joining date is making you feel frustrated. I know that. And believe me, if I were in your place, I would feel the same. Receiving the offer letter in the month of November 2022, and we guys are still waiting for the internship or CSD. Forget about the full-time employment. God knows when you will get onboarded as a full-time employee at Cognizant. For most of the students, the next joining date is 27th of July 2023. Let's assume you will be onboarded in the month of August, and typically the internship lasts for 3 to 4 months. So we have August, September, October, November, and after that you need to give your SME interview. This SME interview and the result declaration of all those things will take the entire December. So the end conclusion is you will get full-time employment by January or February 2024. By January or February, you will become the official Cognizant's employee. And after that, you will receive your salaries, that is 27 to 28K in hand for all Gen Z candidate. And I don't understand this as well. The Cognizant is hiring new candidates. Cognizant is not onboarding who already got placed, and they are hiring new candidates. Only Ravi Kumar, so-called CEO of the organization, can explain the logic behind this. In the month of May 2023, the Cognizant already fired 3,500 employees and also cut on 11 millions of square feet in office space in order to save the cost. And now, in order to save the cost, they are delaying the onboarding of all the freshers who got the placed during the on-campus selection. Now they are changing the date of joining because if they will onboard you right now, they need to pay you. They need to give you the stipend. And since the business requirement is not there, so they are not onboarding you. So in order to save the money, they are playing with the fresher's career. Let's talk about my suggestion. What are the things that you should need to do right now? I know I may sound rude or harsh, but the very first suggestion that I would like to give you is search for different opportunities in the market. Yes, this is very harsh things that I'm saying, but believe me guys, Cognizant don't care about their employees. I would rather prefer a startup over the MNCs like Cognizant. Please do join the Cognizant only when you don't have any other offer in your hand. The second suggestion that I would give you is upskills yourself by learning advanced technologies that are currently trending in the market, like data analyst, Java, full stack developer. There are plenty of things that you can learn. And if you don't know how to start, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to guide you from where you need to start and which courses do you need to do. The last my suggestion would be develop your personality, because communication is something that needs to be there. Whenever you will join any of the organization, your communication, your personality will play a crucial role. So please develop your personality, work on your communication skills. Now let's talk about those factors that you should need to consider before joining the Cognizant as a full-time employee. The very first one is job security. So the second most important thing is domain. The third one is career growth. Fourth one is salary growth. Now the Cognizant will give you max to max 5 to 8% of increment per year. These numbers can change from domain to domain, from technology to technology, from roles to different roles. The next point is workload. The workload which is not too hectic as per my seniors' experience. So please consider these 5 factors. That is, number 1 is job security, second one is domain, career growth, salary growth, and workload. So these are the things that you should need to consider before joining the Cognizant. Or I will see you in the next video. By the time, if you have any queries, any questions related to Cognizant, internship or CSD, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer all your queries. If I am unable to answer your queries, my community is there that will definitely going to try to answer your queries. Please let us know all your questions, all your queries in the comment section, and please use the comment section in order to interact with me. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn. All the important links are in the description. So please do check out the description box. Please do subscribe to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya in order to stay updated with IT industry onboarding stuffs. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.